It's 11:26 p.m. on December 31st, 2025, and when the clock strikes midnight, we're going to pull a bunch of fire alarms to celebrate the end of 2025 and the beginning of 2026. Stay tuned, it's about to get loud. As this year dissolves into memory, may we step forward not louder, but wiser, because meaning is not found in the noise, it's found in what remains after the noise fades away. In 3, 2, 1, Happy 2026 New Year! Let's do this.